Hey guys, so today I'm going to be bringing you something a little Halloween appropriate. So I'll be taking you with me as I paint my Sugar and Kush inspired pumpkin. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm doing is wiping down my pumpkin with the damp rag just to remove any dirt and debris. And of course I have my Sugar and Kush packaging here because this is gonna be my inspiration. So I got this acrylic paint. I ordered it from Amazon, the brushes as well, and I'll link everything down below so you can shop it. I have my little Halloween plate here that will serve as my paint palette. And right now I'm just mixing the red and white and blue paint together to create a pink shade for the pumpkin. So this is only my second time ever painting a pumpkin, my first time ever filming it, and I really do wish I would have ordered a second tube of white paint instead of just relying on what came in the kit because, and you'll see this, but I spent so much time like customizing this pink color which required so much white. I ended up running out of the white paint towards the end where I only had enough paint left over to paint only half of the pumpkin. So I wish I'd known that beforehand, but thought I would just point that out. So initially I started out, I thought I was gonna like sketch everything out, like sketch the drips that's on the packaging, but I was like, oh, well, maybe I can just paint it pink first and then go in with the drips after. So that's what I ended up doing.
Why do I feel like this?
Whoa, that's how you coming, shawty.
Go crazy now.
Oh.
having a quick bite of my Sugar and Kush Snickerdoodle cookies, which are so good. Now, Sugar and Kush is a CBD oil company that specializes in CBD oils, CBD gummies, CBD cookies, and CBD bath bombs. I love this company because their products genuinely do help with my anxiety, and we all know 2020 has been the poster child for anxiety, okay? Now, there are a lot of CBD companies out there, but Sugar and Kush stands out from the competition due to the fact that their products are handmade, they're lab tested, all while showing those test results on their site. Oh, yes, they don't just make these claims for the heck of it, they come with receipts. Their products are made right here in the US, they're great tasting, and do I even have to mention the super cute packaging? I mean, I'm making a whole pumpkin inspired by it. So, if you ever want to shop Sugar and Kush products, just visit sugarandkush.com and use code EyeCandyC20 at checkout to get 20% off your order, or just go ahead and click the link down in the description box below. I'm so sorry, guys. After I let that white layer of paint finish drying, I just jumped right back in and started sketching out the cupcake. I'm so sorry.
This says French trophy. This says French trophy.
It says, twinning is winning.
Twinning is winning?
Yep. You seem so disappointed. So this is it for the finished pumpkin. I learned a lot. I know next time I'm gonna order 2 tubes of white paint instead of just 1. But I had a lot of fun doing this. So now I'm just getting this IG and Facebook story content, and you guys are actually pretty nice about it. Majority of you voted yes that you did want to see this video. So thank you for showing love, and for that small amount of haters, eat my dust. But for the rest of you guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.